Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Cortex Academy. In this video, we'll be covering how we can make use of AI-driven web search so that your AI agent can bring you real-time, up-to-date results from the internet, which could be, for example, used for market research purposes or for basically lead generation operations. In this video, I'm going to just show you a brief demo. So in my first message here, I basically instruct my AI agent to look for the top sources that appear in the following keyword, generative AI in Germany. And then once you collapse this, you will see the operations step by step your AI agent takes. And it will basically also show you the sources here and how many results it wraps up basically to aggregate and present a final response. And you'll be able to see all the references here. If you like one of these references, you can either put the focus on that website, or you can basically add this page to your knowledge base. So after I basically get my response, I now instruct my AI agent to focus on one of them. And as you can see, it just focused on this resource here. So you can also click on these three dots and just click on then focus here. Then it will only focus on that website source. And after that, I basically ask what kind of headlines they have and what kind of keywords, phrases they put the focus on, so that I can also, if I'm creating some sort of marketing content, for example, in this topic, I can also have some sort of an idea about what kind of headlines that I need to pay attention to and see if there's any gap that I could fill in with my own content. So my AI agent went in and basically gave me some sort of answers here, some headline suggestions, some key focus areas and phrases, and then important keywords as listed. So, and then I also had my AI agent create some frequently asked questions about this topic so that it can basically fetch all the real-time information, see what's the intent behind this phrase or like topic in general, and it went on creating with an FAQ with the answers. And I now ask some sort of aggregation. So now I say, can you now gather everything in a properly organized table view? I got my result. I can also download this as a CSV or an Excel file, and I can just pass this on to my content team now. Or you can even go one step ahead and you can create the first draft. With all that information you have here, you can create the first draft and just pass it to your content team to pick it up from there. So this is the first draft of our article with the relevant sources, wherever relevant, so that you can also give hyperlinks to back up your claims or the stats that you share in your articles. This is really powerful, especially for ranking on higher rankings on organic results. And one last thing, there is nothing holding you back from repurposing this content as well into some different formats with your AI agent. In this particular example, I basically tell my AI agent to repurpose this into bit-sized newsletter emails, so that I can make use of the same blog article, not only on our website now, but also for our email audience. And it basically goes on and creates different emails in bit-sized for every week. So this is the week 1 email. This is the week 2 email, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty much how you can make use of AI agent for different contexts, for different use cases in this scenario, mostly for